Today on Hughes Garage, I'm going to show you how to change out a battery on a key fob for a 2021 Nissan Rogue. All right, here's everything you need. Obviously, you need the key fob, you need a new battery, and you need a flathead. A smaller flathead would be perfect. I bought the Duracell brand from Lowe's. It's a 2032 battery. It came with 4 of them. It was about 12 bucks. So obviously that's the battery you need, is a CR2032 for this particular Nissan key fob. And I'm doing this on a 2021 Rogue. It could also work on various other brands. I know, I say brands, I mean models, such as the Altima, Pathfinder. I think it works for pretty much the whole line at this point, is this key fob. All right, so let's get started. Your key fob, you're gonna turn it around. You've got this little thing you can push over. It pulls out your key, okay? Once you got that done, you're gonna look right here. You're gonna see you got a little indentation there and a little indentation right here. You're gonna take your key fob with your flathead, put the flathead in there, pry it to the side, starts to pop open. Do the same thing right here, okay? Not to go too far in, and then it starts splitting. Once it splits, take your hand, open it up, and there you go. So this says specifically, it's upside down, but it says do not touch. So put that to the side, do not touch. As far as this goes, here's your old battery. You're gonna take this flathead, pry it on out. There you go. To replace, you're gonna have battery upside down like it was before. You're gonna push against these prongs. If it'll focus, come on. There you go. See those prongs there? Take that, push it in. All right. Oh, I touched it. Let's see if it still works. Pop this in, just press, pops in. Make sure it's popped in all the way around. Put your other key in here. Make sure that's secure. And you are good to go. Everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. In case anybody was wondering, focus. It works.